tie to...
Mediterranean.
Well, I'm really a good cook and good baker. I bake too. I bake cupcakes.
Cupcake.
But
Mas makamayaman ng I bake.
Oo, may I bake too, di ba? Parang nakala ko, ano naman, leche
Oo.
flan, salyanera.
Saka banana cake, di ba?
Yung mga madadali, kachipan.
Hindi, I bake and I cook for my friends. Yung, if I feel frustrated, I give them food. Ganon.
Oo, mga gutom yung mga friends ko.
You will make sure na gutom sila para ubos na ubos at sarap na sarap sa ginawa.
Correct.
And with that last question from our dear, okay, isang mabilisan lang, isang your last question.
Ano
Naku.
pinaka-favorite scene nila?
Nasagot na! Favorite scene? Okay. Favorite scene mo dito?
Ako, siguro yung, pwede na ba i-giveaway na,
Wag ka mag
wag na lang, sa akin na lang, sasabihin ko na sa utak. Ano ba? Yung last scene na lang, yun na lang.
They cannot specify kasi baka may maging spoiler alert. Watch tayo sa May 13. Pwede ba? Stay na natin yung favorite scene question. Ha? Ha? Okay. Sige. Bakit gusto sumagot? May favorite scene ba kayo, Nads?
Masuspoil ko eh. It's that scene na hindi pwedeng sabihin.
Kasi yun ang favorite niya. Pero pag when you say it,
Opo eh.
ayun. Sorry. Hi.
Abangan. Yung tuyo.
Okay.
O nasa trailer naman eh.
Okay, yung tuyo scene, you wanna expand, you wanna kwento?
What about it?
It's actually an additional scene. Go ahead, kwento na lang ni Direk.
Yeah, yung tuyo scene is an additional scene. Yun yung isa sa mga dinagdag namin. Especially that tuyo, I just thought about it when we were doing it dun sa tabi, sa Rojas Boulevard. Kasi wala lang, naisip ko lang na ano pa bang mas cute at romantic at nakakakilig na scene na hindi pa nila nagagawa. Diba, ang dami ko na nagawang scenes with them. So, I thought about that, dun lang na, penging tuyo, penging ganito, sabi nung mga staff na para saan yung tuyo, direct? Basta, okay yan. Tapos, nakakakilig ba yung tuyo?
The fact na alam nila.
Depende sa eksena.
Ako kasi kinikilig ako sa tuyo eh.
Food kasi, food.
Hindi, yeah, tama ka naman. Depende kung anong eksena at kung paano mo gagawin
May
yung
makakulit tuyo.
Yes, so I think, ayun, my favorite scene, lahat ng scenes, dahil lahat ng scenes na to, trinabaho ng bawat isa sa kanila, and they're all so good in this film. So please, I would like to invite each and every one of you on May 13 in cinemas para sa Hopeless Romantic by Star Cinema and Viva Films.
And we have a grand premiere, a red carpet premiere on May 12 at SM Cinema. Wow! Okay, sorry, we had to, kailangan nila magpaalam kasi hiniram lang namin sila sa mga respective schedules nila. But before that, alam nyo ba ang bagong pasabog ng ABS-CBN? Ito ang Star Kapamilya Card! Hindi lang ito cash card. Quiet listen, debit card. Pwede rin itong gamitin as sa remittance at pambayad online. Gamitin para sa meet and greet, backstage pass, at premiere nights. Discount sa ABS-CBN Store, concert tickets, CD, and DVD. At higit sa lahat, maraming chance na manalo ng papremyo na makamit ang iyong favorite ABS-CBN stars. Ang My Star Kapamilya Card, pasabog sa privileges, pasabog sa prizes, discounts, at freebies. Pasabog talaga. Get your My Star Kapamilya Card in selected RCBC branches for only 150 pesos. Okay, mabilisan. Shai, your message for our vlogger friends, please.
Ayun, thank you for coming and sana magustuhan niyo yung para sa Hopeless Romantic.
Kasama ka namin sa premiere ng Tornado at syempre. AJ.
Yes, yun din. Thank you po sa pagpunta at pagbigay ng time nyo para sa amin. And ingat po kayo.
Thank you. And of course, Julia.
Thank you guys for chatting with us. Enjoy the movie.
Yes, and Inigo.
Salamat po sa lahat na nagpunta at sana po supportahan natin natin ang movie nito.
Thank you. Nads.
Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. Sana nag-enjoy po kayo.
We
Thank
have
you.
fun. And of course, James, please.
Yes, thank you everyone for coming. Hope you're as excited as we are. It's finally coming up.
Yeah. And of course, Direk Andoy.
Thank you, and I really hope that you will support our film. Thank you.
Thank you. And with that, from ABS-CBN, from Star Cinema and Viva Films, thank you for coming to this Grand Press Vloggers Conference. Okay? Have a good afternoon, everyone. Group photo. The buong